In this video, we will show you how to use your Sculpt medical bed by Body Balance system. Let's start with learning the various ways to turn your system on and off. The first way to turn off the bed is by pressing and holding any area on the screen for 5 seconds until the bed turns off. The second way to turn off the bed is by pressing the Self Session End button located on the right side of the bed near to where a client's hand would be. When this button is pressed, the bed turns off and opens automatically. The third way that you turn off the bed is by pressing the black button, which you'll find on the right side of the touchscreen. Once this button is pressed, the bed will turn off. The fourth way to turn the bed off is by removing the cord from the outlet. To turn the bed back on, simply insert the cord back into the outlet and the screen will immediately display. In the event of an unlikely power outage, remove each of the quick release pins located along the back hinge of the canopy. You should then walk to the front side of the bed, lift the canopy up, and assist the client in exiting the bed. Next, we'll show you how to provide a session to a client. First, ask the client to lie down with their head at the end closest to the face panel. Then, lower the canopy down, utilizing the down function on the main canopy button. At this point, have a discussion with the client about whether they want to decrease inches in their arms or side flanks. Should a client desire to lose inches in their side flanks, simply ask them to raise their arms above their head. Once the canopy is completely lowered, utilize the up function on the main bed button. Ensure the client's comfort, but inform them that for optimal results, their skin must touch or come very close to the panels. In order to achieve optimal results along the arms or side flanks, ensure that the side panels are adjusted appropriately, utilizing the in-out function of the side panels button. Once the client is adjusted appropriately, next, turn on the shin, bed, and face lights by pressing on for each panel. Once the client is comfortable and the lights are all on, now it's time to begin the session. The bed offers 3 time selections, 10, 15, and 20 minutes. Simply select the time that best suits the client's needs. Once the session has ended, the canopy will automatically open and the client can exit the bed without any additional support. If you should have any additional questions about the Sculpt medical bed or to learn more about best practices, contact us at 1-866-296-2228.